Is the summer sun making it difficult to enjoy your backyard, patio, or poolside? The right patio umbrella can instantly create a cool, comfortable outdoor space while adding style and protection from harmful UV rays. But with so many options available, choosing the perfect one can be challenging. In today's video, we've handpicked the 5 best patio umbrellas you can buy in 2026. We compared them based on build quality, stability, canopy size, UV protection, wind resistance, ease of operation, and overall value for money. Whether you're looking for a premium cantilever umbrella, a stylish market umbrella, or an affordable option for your deck or garden, there's something here for every budget. Stay with us until the end to discover which patio umbrella deserves the #1 spot and is the best choice for your outdoor living space. Let's get started. Number 5. Purple Leaf 10-foot Cantilever Umbrella. Where our round umbrella picks may leave corners unshaded, this square cantilever umbrella provides shade to the very edges of your space. We liked this shape's ability to add that little extra bit of coverage. It can mean a lot when you're the one sitting in that corner seat. The durable aluminum frame is powder-coated to prevent oxidation, even in humid climates. With a 4-inch wide central pole, wider than other umbrellas around the same size, this model offers greater stability and longevity. Its canopy, meanwhile, doesn't tear or fade in the sun's rays. It also repels water and is rated for UV 50+ protection. We appreciated the ease with which the combination crank and handle allowed us to open the canopy, adjust its height, and tilt to just the right angle. The one downside, like our other Purple Leaf picks here, the base must be purchased separately. Key specs: canopy dimensions, rotation, tilt, base included. 10 by 10 feet, 360 degrees, 6 positions, no. Pros: Pro. Square canopy provides more corner shade. Pro. Thicker pole and sturdy frame for stability. Cons. Con. Base sold separately. Number 4. Purple Leaf 13-foot round cantilever umbrella. If you need to shade a larger yard or pool, or you just have a bigger table or seating area, this extra-wide cantilever umbrella has you, literally, covered. The round canopy is 13 feet wide and made from a sturdy polyester that repels water, prevents mildew, protects from UV rays, and doesn't fade. The central pole is visibly thicker than it is on other umbrellas, which adds to the overall strength. A handle and crank system allows you to adjust the canopy to 6 different heights and angles, and the umbrella can also be rotated 360 degrees. The biggest downside is that, like many others, it doesn't come with a base included. With an already high price point, having to invest more in a base will be prohibitive for some. Key specs: canopy dimensions, rotation, tilt, base included. 13 by 13 feet, 360 degrees, 6 positions, no. Pros: Pro. Extra thick pole for added stability. Pro. Warranty protected UV resistant canopy. Pro. 360 degree rotation with 6 tilt angles. Cons. Con. Base sold separately. Number 3. Purple Leaf 8-foot square cantilever umbrella. When you don't have much outdoor space but still need some shade, this 8-foot square cantilever umbrella is what you're looking for. We appreciated how easy the hand crank is to turn when you're raising and lowering the canopy. The lever to tilt the umbrella at 6 different angles for full day shade is also very straightforward to use. A pedal at the base allows for 360 degree rotation, and a coated alloy steel frame with 8 antioxidant canopy ribs provides a sturdy foundation. Further stability comes from a weighted T-base, but the base is sold separately. The canopy itself is made from high-quality yarn-dyed polyester fabric that's designed to block UV rays and repel water. Choose from 10 color options, including neutral tones and brighter shades of blue, red, or green. For a real style statement, we loved the option to upgrade to a version with solar LED lights along the underside of the canopy, although this option is not available in every color. Key specs: canopy dimensions, rotation, tilt, base included. 8 by 8 feet, 360 degrees, 6 positions, no. Pros: Pro. Easy turn crank with 360 degree rotation. Pro. Includes options with LED lights. Pro. Wide range of colors. Cons. Weighted T-base sold separately. Number 2. Sunnyglade rectangular cantilever umbrella. At a price point almost half that of similarly sized umbrellas, this cantilever umbrella features a UV-resistant polyester canopy designed to block up to 99% of UV rays. It's also waterproof and fade-resistant. For more durability, it has a powder-coated rust-resistant aluminum frame and 8 steel ribs for the canopy. It requires a weighted base, which is sold separately. Speaking of that canopy, one of our favorite features with this umbrella is its zippered sleeves where the ribs slide in. This design makes it extra easy to remove the canopy to clean it and put it back together after. The umbrella rotates 360 degrees. There are fewer design options available with this umbrella, perhaps a function of the low price. Your square size options are 10 and 11 feet. Additionally, it only allows for 4 adjustable angles. Key specs: canopy dimensions, rotation, tilt, base included. 10 by 13 feet, 360 degrees, 4 positions, no. Pros. Pro. Canopy has UV protection and installation-friendly zip corners. Pro. Half the price of other umbrellas of a similar size. Pro. 360-degree rotation. Cons. Con. Fewer options for tilt, size, and color. Number 1. Purple Leaf Rectangular Cantilever Umbrella. From style to shade to convenience, this cantilever umbrella offers everything. A 10 by 13 foot rectangular canopy provides extensive shade, enough for a full-size dining table or seating area. With 6 height and tilt angles, plus 360-degree rotation, it's easy to adjust this umbrella to your exact needs throughout the day, whether you're enjoying a quiet morning cup of coffee or a dinner party at sunset. The water-repellent fade-resistant polyester canopy not only provides shade, but with an ultraviolet protection factor, or UPF, of 50, it actively blocks harmful UV rays. A vented top and a sturdy alloy steel frame provide plenty of stability, even when the wind kicks up. Further stability comes from the weighted base, but unfortunately it's sold separately and runs over $200. We preferred the wide coverage from this large-size umbrella, but if you have a smaller space, you can choose from 3 other rectangle sizes or 4 square sizes ranging from 9 to 12 feet. It also comes in 5 colors, including both neutrals and bright colors. Key specs: canopy dimensions, rotation, tilt, base included. 10 by 13 feet, 360 degrees, 6 positions, no. Pros: great coverage from large rectangular canopy. Pro: 360-degree rotation with 6 tilt positions. Pro: durable canopy with UPF 50. Cons: con. Base sold separately.